forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss more problem based on nth term of an arithmetic progression. Question number 1. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 terms? There are two APs, so there are two first term. So let first term of two APs be A1, A2 and same common difference BD. Now according to problem, the difference between their 100 terms, difference is always positive, we don't know which one is larger. So according to problem, A100 of first AP means 100 term of first AP minus 100 term of second AP. In suffix write 1 and 2. So first AP, second AP is equal to 100. Now write next step, A100 means A plus A1 plus 99D. First term is A1 and common difference is D, minus A100 for second term A2 plus 99D is equal to 100. So A1 plus 99D minus A2 minus 99D equal to 100. 99D cancel. So A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. Give equation number 1. Now question is, what is the difference between their 1000 terms? Therefore A1000 minus A1000 of second AP is equal to A plus 999D A1 plus minus A2 plus 999D. Now open the bracket, A1 plus 999D minus A2 minus 999D cancel. So we get A1 minus A2, and which is equal to 100 from equation 1. Means the difference between their 1000 terms is same as difference between their 100th terms. Next problem. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs? This and this are equal. So first AP, for first AP, first term is 63, second term is, common difference is second term minus first term, 65 minus 63 equal to 2. Cross check also, 67 minus 65, 2. Now find nth term. N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Apply this formula. So nth term for first AP is equal to 63 plus N minus 1. Common difference 2. Now simplify. 63 plus 2n minus 2. So 61 plus 2n. Give equation number 1. So this is nth term for first AP. For second AP, first term is equal to 3, common difference equal to second term minus first term, 10 minus 3 equal to 7, and this minus this also 7. Now find nth term. Nth term for second AP is equal to A means 3, n we have to find, and common difference 7. Open the bracket, 3 plus 7n minus 7. So nth term for second AP is equal to 7n minus 4. अब question is, for what value of n are the nth term of two APs are equal? So according to problem, nth term of first AP is equal to nth term for second AP. Nth term for first AP is 61 plus 2n, and nth term for second AP 7n minus 4. अब now simplify, send 4 dead side, 61 plus 4 65, and 7n minus 2n 5n, dividing both side by 5. So 13 5 is 65, so n equal to 13. Next problem. Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? Means in that question, first term is 5,000 initially. So A equal to 5,000, and an annual increment is rupees 200, means common difference is D. Common difference D is rupees 200. में हर साल उसकी इनकम कितनी बढ़ रही है, 200 रुपीज़ का इंक्रीमेंट लग रहा है, तो कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना हो गया 200. और 1995 में उसकी सैलरी कितनी थी 5,000, तो ए कितना हो गया 5,000. एंड लास्ट टर्म, in which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? Means last term is 7,000. अब now apply formula. Last term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute all the values. L is equal to 7,000. A means first term 5,000. N number of terms we have to find, or D common difference 200. Now subtract 7,000 minus 5,000. So 2,000 equal to n minus 1 into 200. Dividing both sides by 200. So 2,000 upon 200 equal to 10. So n is equal to 11. Means after 11 years, income of Subba Rao is rupees 7,000. So in which year? So 1995 plus 11 means 2006. Next problem. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly saving by rupees 1.75. इंक्रीज बाय रुपीज़ 1.75, यानी आपका क्या हो गया कॉमन डिफरेंस. और इनिशियली उसका कितना अमाउंट था, रामकली सेव्ड रुपीज़ 5 इन द फर्स्ट वीक. इफ इन nth वीक हर वीकली सेविंग बिकम रुपीज़ 20.7, मीन्स आफ्टर n वीक हर सेविंग इज 20.75. तो फाइंड n. सिंस फर्स्ट टर्म इज इक्वल टू 5 रुपीज़ 5, बट ड्यूरिंग कैलकुलेशन वी डोंट राइट यूनिट्स. So A equal to 5, D equal to common difference 1.75. Let n equal to question mark, and nth term is 20.75. Now apply formula. Since nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term 20.75 is equal to a means first term 5, n we have to find number of terms, or d equal to 1.75. अब now simplify this minus 5, 20.75 minus 5, so 15.75 is equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. अब now simplify this upon this, so remove decimal also, 0.75, 0.75, after decimal 2 places, so write 175 equal to n minus 1. अब now cancel, 25 7 जा 175, 25 6 जा 150 and 3 जा, and 7 9 जा 63, so 9 equal to n minus 1, so n equal to 10. रिमार्क्स, जब भी एपी के अंदर हमको 3 टर्म्स 4 टर्म्स और 5 टर्म्स लेट करना हो तो डिपेंड करेगा क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर. यदि नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन है तो हमको क्या लेट करनी, 3 टर्म्स ए प्लस डी ए प्लस 2d नॉर्मल टर्म्स. 4 टर्म्स लेट करनी हो तो ए प्लस डी ए प्लस 2d ए प्लस 3d, और 5 टर्म्स लेट करनी हो तो ए प्लस डी ए प्लस 2d ए प्लस 3d ए प्लस 4d. लेकिन सम ऑफ 3 टर्म्स इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, सम ऑफ 4 टर्म्स, सम ऑफ 5 टर्म्स, उस केस में हम ये लेट करेंगे. सम ऑफ 3 टर्म्स इज गिवन तब हम ए पी लेट करेंगे, ए माइनस डी ए और ए प्लस डी. इससे फ़ायदा क्या होगा, जब हम तीनों को प्लस करते तो क्या मिलेगा, दिस प्लस दिस प्लस दिस, डी ओ डी कैंसिल हो जाएगा और 3a मिल जाएगा. तो डायरेक्टली वी गेट वैल्यू ऑफ ए. इफ 4 टर्म्स तब हम क्या लेट करेंगे, a माइनस 3d a माइनस डी ए प्लस डी और a प्लस 3d. अब आपके दिमाग में हम कैसे याद रखेंगे, वहाँ तो डिफरेंस कॉमन डिफरेंस d है, इसमें कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना है, दिस माइनस दिस 2d, a माइनस डी माइनस a माइनस 3d इज इक्वल टू a माइनस डी माइनस a प्लस 3d. सो a और a कैंसिल, सो 3d माइनस d 2d. और जब 5 टर्म्स लेट करेंगे तो क्या होगी, a माइनस 2d a माइनस डी ए प्लस डी और a प्लस 2d. दिस टाइम कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना है, d है. इसका मतलब जब इवन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स हो तो कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना लेट करेंगे अपन, 2d. और जब ओड टर्म्स हो 3 और 5 तो कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना लेंगे, d. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, इफ द जीरोस ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल आर इन AP, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k. तो फर्स्ट कंपेयर पॉलिनोमियल विथ fx इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब माइनस 12x स्क्वायर प्लस 39x प्लस k on comparing with fx equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So a equal to 1, coefficient of x cube, b equal to minus 12, c equal to 39 and d equal to k. अब since zeros of the polynomial are in AP, so let alpha equal to, there are 3 zeros of cubic polynomial alpha, beta and gamma and are in AP. So let us consider alpha equal to a minus d, beta equal to a and gamma equal to a plus d. अब since sum of roots alpha, beta plus gamma is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha means a minus d plus a plus d is equal to minus b upon a. So minus 12 upon 1. D or D cancel. So a plus a, 3a is equal to 12. So value of a is 4. अब now write sum of product of roots taken 2 at a time, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c upon a. Alpha beta means this into this, a minus d into a plus a into a plus d plus a plus d into a minus d is equal to c upon a. C means 39. So 39 upon 1. Next step, now substitute value of a equal to 4. So 4 minus d into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus d plus 4 plus d into 4 minus d is equal to 39. Next step, 4 4 just 16 minus 4d, 16 plus 4d, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 16 minus d square is equal to 39. 4d or 4d cancel, 16, 16, 16, 48 minus 39, 9 equal to d square. So d equal to plus minus 3. अब since alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d upon a, alpha means a minus d into a plus d is equal to minus d upon a. D means k upon 1, so minus k. After this there are two cases because value of d is plus minus 3. Case first, a equal to 4 and d equal to plus 3. Now put both the values, a equal to 4. So 4 minus 3 into 4 and 4 plus 3 is equal to minus k. अब now simplify, 4 minus 3 1, 1 into 4 4, 4 into 7 28 and that side minus k, 28 equal to minus k. So value of k is minus 28. Case second, a equal to 4 and d equal to minus 3. In that case value of k, again put all the values, 4 minus d, so 4 plus 3 into a means 4 and 4 minus 3 equal to minus k. So 7 4 is 28 equal to minus k. So k is equal to minus 28. अब प्लीज़ यहाँ पे एक चीज़ ध्यान से रखना कि यहाँ पे जो मैंने स्टडी में क्या लिखा था, ऑन कंपेयरिंग विद अपनी आदत हम ये लेते हैं, लेकिन क्वेश्चन में भी स्मॉल है दे रखा, अपन ने लेट किया था a माइनस डी ए और a प्लस डी. तो आप चाहें तो यहाँ पे कैपिटल ए बी सी लेट कर सकते हैं, ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस कैपिटल बी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस कैपिटल सी एक्स प्लस कैपिटल डी. इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर विल डिस्कस सम ऑफ n टर्म्स ऑफ एन AP. थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे.